Hey trader, I'm loaded Forex, aka no signal, no entry. In today's video, I want to show you secrets of price action, and it's one of the most strong trading systems to trade technical analysis. In this video, I will show you price action blueprint that will help you to trade successfully and make you a profitable trader. If that sounds good, click the like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button, and I will see you after the intro. Whenever you spot bullish engulfing at daily key level zone or weekly key level zone, do not take it for granted. Pay attention to what the candlestick represents and the information the candlestick is passing across to you so that you'll be able to know the next market direction. If you look at the price action on the daily time frame here, you can see the sellers sold down to this place with high momentum. The moment the price action reached this support level, the volume reduction occurred, right? Low momentum. We're having inverted candlestick here, industrial candlestick here is a sign that the sellers are losing the energy to push the price action below this support level. Then after that, you spot bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. And bullish engulfing candlestick pattern represents buyers. Being able to spot this candlestick pattern at major key level zone. If you share the historical data, the price action reacted here, price action reacted here, reacted here. That is a good confirmation that if price action come back again in the future, it will respect the support zone. Now, since we are able to spot this candlestick at major key level in the daily time frame, the next thing is for us to scale down to 4 hours time frame and trade in the direction of the bullish engulfing on the daily time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, price action is already bullish. From this high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, right? Then the price action invalidated the structure by taking out this last lower high during this bearish market. So we're expecting a pullback here to give us a new higher low so that we can take buy opportunity. Let's play the candlestick. Right now the price action is already our point of interest. Then we scale down to lower time frame, which is 30-minute time frame. The structure on 30-minute time frame was bearish, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then the price action invalidated the structure back to bullish structure, and after this breakout, that is when we should execute. This was a candlestick that closed above this lower high. Then we position our stop loss here, then we target the next resistance level. Let's play the candlestick. Then the price action smashed our take profit level. If you want to learn more from me and also get access to my weekly signals on Telegram community, click on this link. It will take you to my Telegram channel where you can get access to other Forex educational materials on my Telegram community channel. Don't forget to click on the like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that you can get notification when we upload another exclusive Forex video like this. See you next time, guys.